Hi everyone, Rosa Helen here with Interior Real Estate. Real estate and how we conduct business will never be the same because of COVID-19. Open houses is no longer an option for us for the time being and may not be for the near future. Having a pre-approval from a lender is now a common requirement before we can even set an appointment to go see a home. Real estate forms were newly created because of COVID-19, and we now need to declare that we're healthy before we can even set foot in a seller's home. While you guys were sheltering, you might have realized that your current living situation is not ideal. Whatever that situation is, you just want to buy a new home. I'm going to be teaching a webinar which will discuss current real estate practices, current market situation, and things that you need to know in order for you to be setting yourself up for success to buying a home this year. My webinar is called Buying a Home in the Pandemic Year. Will be held Saturday, June 6th from noon to 1 p.m. right at the comfort of your own home. You can go to my website, rosahelen.com, and click on the link there to register for the event. I hope to see you there, and don't forget to bring your brown bag lunch.